In this demo for iGrandDesigner, I will show some of the tools available for inspecting and editing surfaces. Here I have made half of a boat hull. This was actually a very quick operation and came about in about 5 minutes. What to note here is we have two different types of surfaces. We can see these by looking on the UV lines view. Here we see that we have a triangular surface, and here we also have a quadrilateral surface. And of course, since we're going to make something out of these, we wish these to be as smooth as possible. We can look at them through what we call a zebra view, which shows the boundaries of the surfaces. If these zebra lines touch each other, it means they're tangents. If they are completely continuous, then they are curvature continuous. So we can see here, these are pretty close to continuous. If we want to edit the line between the edges of these surfaces where they touch each other, we just select and we set edit faces via common edge. Here we get a dialog that says we can edit the normal bulge, the normal angle, and the skew angle. Now the bulge is how fat these are. To actually see what's going on, we can take the UV lines view and we will see the construction lines for the surfaces. If we look at the normal bulge, we see that it is making, along their adjacent edge, it's making them fatter or thinner. In zebra view, we can actually see what it's doing to the zebra stripes. To the normal angle, it adjusts the normal angle between the two surfaces. So we can see that it's rocking the normals. Those are actually spline points that we're manipulating here. If we look at the zebra view, we can see what it is doing in the zebra view. So it is changing the shape of the surface. And of course, if we go into color view, we can take the edge drawing off. We can get a close view and see exactly how smooth those surfaces look. We can also look at that in faceted view, as we see in real time what this is doing to them. And of course, the last slider says how much we want to skew these. So using these types of controls, we can adjust the common edge smoothness of adjacent faces. And that ends this demo for iGrandDesigner.